Good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the home weather office on this Monday morning. It is the 13th day of November, 2023. This is the morning briefing coming to you from my home weather office. And as I look out the window, I see some clouds, some sun. That's the way today is going to go. A little bit cloudier than it was over the weekend, and probably a little bit cooler than it was over the weekend just because of the cloud cover. But man, what a nice weekend we had. This week, of course, is going to be a changeable week and another frustrating week for us as we try to time out any rain we're going to see. But the models that have come in the last 18 hours or so since my last update yesterday continue to show modest amounts of rain that we're going to be seeing this week. So instead of the headlines that we saw last week calling for a big storm to come our way this week, instead what we ought to be prepared for is occasional showers. And I'll show you some of the timing that we're looking at right now. And the timing will get flexible, especially toward the end of the week. Of course, farther out in time, the forecast is tougher to do. But in the short term, we're looking all right. Let me show you what's happening this morning. So this is a really good illustration of what's going on here. Is our developing cutoff low. That thing we were looking at just in model coverage last week is now actually showing up on satellite. You can already see this is cold air here, and then there's the moisture streaming around it, and then you can just see the circulation here. And as this sinks to the south, it'll kind of set up shop right in here over the next few days, about 500 or so miles off the California coast. Out ahead of it, we have these clouds streaming in. Some clouds here. There actually is some rain in this area of cloud cover, none in this or in this, but this is why today we will see this mixture of sun and clouds. All right, let's get into the modeling. So now we are getting the rain chances into the range of the North American model. Keep in mind that last week everything was out in the range of the GFS, which doesn't quite have the same resolution as the NAM, the North American model. And this is what we'll be using most throughout the week, although I will show you the GFS to get us to the end of the week as well. So this is today. There's that rain to our north that I was mentioning. And as we go through today, we'll just see that mixture of sun and clouds while rain develops well off the coast. Let's get into the day tomorrow because there will be a little bit of rain tomorrow morning. This is tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. Some rain in the Bay Area and up into Lake County. And then this is at about 7 o'clock in the morning, showers in Solano County along I-5 through Sacramento with very, very small amounts. But there could be some rain along I-80 for the morning commute, as well as some light rain into Butte County. What we're talking about here in terms of rain amounts is less than 1/10 of an inch. This is the afternoon, and that rain lifts out to the north. So by the afternoon, any rain that we have seen in the Sacramento area is gone, as well as even in Plumas and Butte counties. And we may not even get any rain in in Stockton, Modesto, or in Tuolumne County towards Sonora, or even into Placerville. And nothing in the way of snow. No travel problems tomorrow in the Sierra. All right, let's get into the day Wednesday. As you can see, the rain continues to spiral around off the coast, but none of it really makes its way inland. This is Wednesday morning at 4 a.m. Wednesday looks like it could be one of those dry days. I think there may be a better chance of some showers on Wednesday night, although not seen here. Some of the other models occasionally have been bringing a little wave of showers through on Wednesday night. But it looks like we may get through the daylight hours of Wednesday without anything in the way of rain. This is the overnight hours, and then this is Thursday morning, and this is Thursday afternoon. This model showing us completely dry while the rain showers are off the coast. And just to kind of illustrate the just how little this is, this model is showing 1/10 of an inch of rain in all of that I just showed you. A little bit more along the coast, 1/10 of an inch for Sacramento, I should say. But hardly any in San Joaquin County, hardly anything in the Sierra south of Highway 50. So that gets us through the day on Thursday. Let's go over to the GFS, and I'll show you the same thing. And this will get us out to when we might see a better chance of rain later on this week. But this also in the short term shows something similar. Here comes that chance of a little bit of rain on Tuesday morning, but no snow. This model also keeps us dry during the day Wednesday, bringing in the chance of maybe some showers Wednesday night, as you can see right here. And then Thursday also yeah, there might be a shower or two from this model, but nothing to write home about. And then this is Friday morning. And so now this is the part of the GFS which is out farther in time than the North American model can show us. And it looks like maybe we have a better chance of rain Friday and into Saturday. That's Saturday afternoon right there. And then it all breaks up as we head into the day on Sunday. Now, keep in mind that all of that timing is predicated on the movement of that cutoff low. For the next couple of days, like I said, it's just going to set up shop off the California coast about 500 miles away, just sending occasional wave of moisture our way with the chance of some rain. And also keep in mind that the GFS model that I just showed you shows the best chance of rain in here on Friday and Saturday. And those amounts also look modest, a quarter of an inch, maybe half an inch, something like that. But also keep in mind that last week, at first, we were looking at the best chance of rain Tuesday, Wednesday. Then it was looking at Wednesday, Thursday. And then over the weekend, it kind of shifted to Thursday, Friday. And now it's kind of shifted to Friday, Saturday. So it all depends on when that low might kick inland. So I just showed you the chance of rain on Saturday, and here it is Monday morning. What I don't want you to do is walk away from this and say, oh, it's going to rain Saturday. I'm going to cancel all my plans. It's going to rain all day. I can't do anything. No. So what I would do if I was you is I'd just take a look at that short term and keep in mind that there'll be a couple of showers tomorrow morning. There may be a stray shower Wednesday, Thursday. And yeah, there's probably going to be a period sometime, Friday, Saturday, who knows? Maybe it'll get pushed back to Sunday, who knows? When we'll see some steadier rain and we may get a quarter of an inch. And the other thing is, I don't see anything in there right now that's going to cause any issues for travel in the Sierra all the way through the day on Friday. Now, of course, the end of this week is when a lot of folks start their getaway for Thanksgiving. So we'll keep you updated on that. But right now, it looks like it's too warm, not wet enough, not good orographics. This just does not look like a very good snow pattern. So right now, for at least the next 4 or 5 days, I don't see any travel issues over the Sierra. And also keep in mind that, again, we're really trying to dial things back from those alarming headlines that we saw last week that were calling for, a big storm this week and flooding and all that sort of thing. No, we're just looking at occasional showers this week, occasional periods of rain, and nothing that we can't handle. So that's everything I've got for you this morning. I'll be on TV at 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, and 11, and there will be another update here first thing tomorrow morning. So go ahead and make it a great day. I'll talk with you later.